Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Now we'll do part 2. We'll continue doing this section 2.3. We'll do more problems. Now in this problem, you want to limit as it goes 1/3 from the right of this value. So we need to check the base integer of this function. If you think about it, if x goes to 1/3 from right, 3x will be what? Goes to what? It goes to 1 from right. And why is that? If we can't think of it, we know that 1/3 is 0.33 something. So we can take a value like more than 0.3, like 0.34, 0.35. You multiply it by 3, you'll get 1 point something. So it's 1 plus. So the Grace integer of 3x, for sure it will go to 1. What's the Grace integer of something more than 1? It will be 1. So this is the answer. I hope it's clear. If we want to find the limit, just to make it clearer, 1/3 from left for the same function, 3x. You notice if x is not needed, but just to make it clear, huh? The problem already finished, huh? But just to make it more clear, 1/3 from left. Now we'll not take more than 0.333. We'll take less than 0.333, which means 3x will be like 0.32. So you'll get times 3, 0.96, which means 1 less than 1. So what will be the Grace integer? For sure, it will go to 0. It will go to 0. Okay, but as I said, this is just another problem to make it clear, huh? But the problem already finished here. So this is 1. Okay. Now tan of minus x. We need to do the same idea. Notice if x goes to 0 from right, means we'll take a value like 0.0001 minus x will go to what? Minus 0, which is 0. 0 from left. If I have here 0.001, this will be minus 0.001. So this is 0 from the other side, from left. Huh? Think about it. This is 0. In 0.001, this is minus 0.001, multiplied by minus. So it will be the other side. Now we need to take tan of this. So I need to check tan of minus x. As my argument is 0 from left. Think about the graph of tan. This is the graph of tan. This is graph of tan. Okay, so the argument of tan goes to 0 from left. Where is 0 from left? I am here. So the value of tan, the y values will be what? It will be 0 and from left also. That will be 0 from left. If you think about it, tan of negative something, this will be minus tan, it will be minus point something. So it's 0 from left. So the Grace integer, this for sure goes to what? Minus 1, equals minus 1. So that will be equals minus 1, because I already take the Grace integer function. Okay, equals minus 1. I hope it's clear. The same idea here. I need to do it step by step. If x goes to minus 1 from right, what's the meaning of minus 1 from right? If you think about minus 1 from right, from here, so it's like minus 0.999. Okay, what I will do, first I will square it. X squared will be what? It will be 0.9 something, 8, something like this. So x squared will go to 1 from left. It will be 0.9 something. It will not reach 1. 0.29 something, who cares? So it will be 1 from left. Multiply by minus, it will be minus 0.9 something, which is what? Minus 1 from right. Okay. أقل من, I mean, more than minus 1. Huh? So it will be something here. Okay. Minus 0.9 something. 1, add 1 to this, you will get what? 0 from right. You will get 2. Add 2. He means 2, not 1. Okay. I'm adding 2, huh? Not 1. 2. That will be 1 from right. Okay. It will be 1 point something. If you add 2 to it, it's here. What? 1.1, 1.0 something, huh? If you add 2, 1.0 something. Okay. 2 minus this, it will be minus point. What is it? Yeah. Yeah, if you add 2 to this one, yeah, it will be 1.0 something. So this plus this will give me 2. Okay. Yeah. So now think about it. This one, the denominator, let's think about the denominator is a value more than 1. The denominator is a value more than 1. More than 1. So 1 over a value more than 1. 1 over a value more than 1. This is 1, and this is more than 1. So I'm getting what? Like it's 1 over 1.1. And also I can do the Gaussian integer right away. I have 1 over 1.1. That will be point something. So the Gaussian integer will be 0. 1 over 1.0 something. That goes to what? It will be point something. It will be point something. So the Gaussian integer of this will be 0. I hope it's clear. Now I want to find the limit. Okay. Now if we substitute, you will get here does not exist because we know this value is integer. So the Gaussian integer will be does not exist. And this one also does not exist. The sum of 2 does not exist. We don't know. May exist. So I need to do it from right and from left. This goes to 5 from right for f of x. That will be limit. It goes to 5 from right for all of this. Let's do it step by step. 5 from right, man, I'll take a value 5.01. Put it here. So Gaussian integer of 5.01 give me 5. In a minus 5.01. Minus 5.01. So it will give me minus 6. So the answer is minus. Now if we do it from left for the same function. So we'll take a value less than 5, 4.99. Put it here, you get 4 minus 4.99. Here it will be minus 4.99, which will be minus 5. So the answer is minus 1. Oh, they are the same. So it means this limit is equal to minus 1. And we agreed to find the Gaussian integer. First, I will substitute inside. if I am getting non-integer, خلاص, you just substitute. If I put 1 inside, I'm getting a fraction. خلاص, so this will be greatest integer, half minus 1, which is the greatest integer of minus half, which is equal to minus 1. That's it. Since the thing's inside, non-integer. This is non-integer. I don't care about this, I care about the things inside. This one, it needs some careful calculation. So I need to do it step by step. I will do 4 things. The limit x goes to n from right of this equal to what? For any n goes to n from right of this. Then I will find the limit as f of x as goes to n from right equal to what? Then I will do limit x goes to n from left. I will make it step by step equal to what? Limit x goes to n from left for the other part. Then we'll do limit x goes to n from left for f of x. Okay, let us do it step by step. N plus means what? N on something. If I plug it here, n وشوي, n minus n plus something. Because this is my x. My x is n plus n وشوي. If you do the calculation, you will get what? Minus الشوي. Minus something, greatest integer of that, will give me what? So it's minus point something. Huh? This is n point something. So this is minus the point something, which is give me minus. Okay. In n plus, you add 1 to it. So it will be what? n plus يعني n وشوي. وزودنا عليها 1. صارت n plus 1 وشوي. صار الجنسيتر حقها n plus 1. What is f of x? Is this limit minus this limit. So I have this limit is minus 1 minus this limit, huh? Minus this limit. Minus n plus 1, that will be minus n minus 2. We'll do now the same for n from left. ايش يعني n from left؟ يعني n إلا شوي. لاحظي أنا بسوي n minus n ناقص something. n إلا شوي. فايش هيصير عندك؟ minus هيصير plus something. هذا هيكون كم؟ 0. Now n from left n إلا شوي زائد 1 هيصير n plus 1 إلا شوي. معناها هيطلع الجواب هنا كم؟ n. What is the limit as it goes to n from left of f of x? We'll do this. We already did that. It will be 0 minus this one, which is n. That will be minus n. So what will be this limit? This thing is minus n minus 2 minus this thing is minus n. So the answer is minus n minus 2 plus n, which is minus 2, which is this distance. I hope it's clear. Now to check x goes to 0 for this function. So I need to check the limit. X goes to 0 from right equal to what? Easy. From right, so I'll take this function. It will be x minus 1. That is minus 1. I'll do the same for x goes to 0 from left. But now when I take the function, I'll take this function, which is greatest integer of x plus minus x. Then I want to do 0 from left. 0 اللي هو minus point something. You plug it there, هيصير minus 1. هنا minus point something. يصير minus point something. هيصير point something. يصير حقها كم؟ 0. هيطلع الجواب minus 1. So they are the same. So the limit is minus 1. You need to be careful. say x goes to 1 from left. So we take a value, we'll take a value 0.999 something. This one will be always 0. And this one would not reach 0. 0.99 minus 1. It will not reach the 0, but that one will reach the 0. So that will make it 0. And as x goes to 1 from left, greatest integer will be equal to 0. But this one still will not reach 0. So the answer is 0. Here, we can distribute the limit, because this is, we know, it's easy, nothing to worry about. Here, we have non-integer. If we substitute, you'll get what? Guess integer half minus 3 over 2, which is non-integer. So we can find it, half minus 3 over 4 minus half. So the answer is minus 1. So the limit will be limit x goes to minus 1 of absolute value of x plus limit x goes to minus 1 of this greatest integer, which is what? This is 1 minus 1. So the answer is 0. This one, x goes to 3 from right. So this, I have 3 point something, 3 point something, 3.01, something like this. So put it here. So you get what? 3 minus, this is minus 3.01, minus 3.01. What is greatest integer? Will be minus 4. So it will be minus 4. So that will be 7. I think I will stop here.